Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I'm here because I really want to tell you why these floating shelves from Love-KANKEI are the absolute best. They are first rate, and I'm so happy that I chose them. They were honestly the perfect choice for our bathroom. What I love about them is their design. They are so attractive, just rustic and modern. They're wood and they have the metal brackets, but they're heavy duty. They're really sturdy and they can hold some weight. So I really just think that the way that they're designed is amazing. The functionality of them is another thing that I really love. So you'll notice that I have them installed so that the brackets are on top and the shelf is on the bottom, and it kind of adds some dimension to the space. But you actually can flip them around and you could easily decide to have them upside down and the other way. I would have to say that they're just so easy to install and to remove. You screw 2 screws in place, and once you add the brackets on the bottom of the wood, there are 4 screws in total. That's it. So I found it as a woman really easy to install and to put into place. And honestly, using it in the bathroom, I've got the top one, as you notice, to display items, personal items, and then the lower 2, I have baskets. And with those baskets, I'm able to add more practical storage. So I just find that you can add them anywhere, and really it's just anywhere that you need more attractive additional shelving. And so I'm super happy with this purchase. I think they make the bathroom look spectacular, and that's my point of view.